Imagine a world where silent, mysterious creatures glide through the shadows, their movement both alien and elegantly purposeful. Have you ever paused to wonder about these enigmatic beings that evoke both fear and wonder? Today, we invite you on a journey into the fascinating realm of snakes, a journey that will forever transform the way you see these incredible reptiles. In a world teeming with over 3,800 snake species, with roughly 70% being completely non-venomous, the snake is not the monster many imagine, but rather a vital guardian of nature's delicate balance. As we embark on this exploration, be prepared to set aside your preconceptions and discover the complexity, beauty, and essential role of these creatures in our ecosystem. Our story begins with the striking diversity of snake species found across the globe. Picture lush tropical forests, arid desert landscapes, towering mountain ranges, and the murky banks of freshwater rivers. Snakes have adapted and thrived in nearly every environment on Earth. The sheer number of these species, exceeding 3,800 worldwide, is a testament to the evolutionary brilliance written into their DNA. Despite the common image of snakes as dangerous and stealthy predators, a surprising 70% of these reptiles pose no threat to humans at all. Their very presence controls pest populations, keeping rodent and insect numbers in check. In many regions, snakes are quiet custodians of the natural order, maintaining balance within their ecosystems. As you envision these creatures in their varied habitats, allow yourself to appreciate their adaptability and the complex interdependence they share with the world around them. Their existence is not a harbinger of danger, but an affirmation of life's intricate tapestry. Now, let us delve deeper into the ecological role that snakes play. In the grand orchestra of nature, snakes are both conductors and instruments in sustaining harmony. By preying on rodents and insects, they naturally regulate the populations of animals that could otherwise overwhelm and devastate local agriculture and human settlements. In doing so, they prevent outbreaks of disease and crop destruction that could lead to imbalance and economic stress. Every silent glide and every precisely aimed strike in the grass is a reminder of how these creatures contribute to an ecosystem finely tuned over millennia. Consider the paradox. Animals often feared for their potential lethality, yet they are essential components of the ecological web. Their presence ensures that no single population can surge unchecked, and their methods of hunting and predation are efficient, built from countless generations of survival innovation. This intricate relationship highlights nature's ability to use even the most misunderstood creatures to foster balance and nurture life. Beyond their ecological impact, snakes captivate us with their extraordinary anatomical features and movement mechanics. Without limbs, they achieve a form of locomotion that is both graceful and astonishingly efficient. Their bodies house hundreds of muscles working in unison with specially adapted belly scales. This remarkable design allows snakes to perform a sinuous, wave-like motion that is both hypnotic and purposeful. Each movement, whether in the dappled light of a forest floor or the stark expanses of a desert, is an orchestration of biological precision. Imagine a snake sliding silently over a sun-warmed stone, the coordinated ripple of its muscles drawing a perfect curve through the air. This form of locomotion not only exemplifies nature's ingenuity, but also illustrates the evolutionary time that has refined their every movement, a silent dance perfected over millions of years. At the heart of these creatures' survival are their unique sensory adaptations. Unlike humans, snakes do not rely on ears to capture the sounds of the world. Instead, they are highly attuned to the subtlest vibrations in the ground, perceiving the presence of prey long before it comes into view. Their most distinguishing sensory tool, however, is the flickering tongue, a slender, split appendage that samples the very air around them. This organ, in tandem with the Jacobson's organ located in the roof of the mouth, deciphers chemical cues with incredible accuracy. Imagine experiencing the world not through sight or sound, but through a series of delicate, almost imperceptible signals that reveal a symphony of chemical information. In moments of quiet solitude, a snake's tongue flickers in and out, each movement collecting data essential for survival. This sense, though alien to us, provides an intimate connection with the environment and serves as both alarm system and navigation tool. Our journey now leads us to some of the most iconic snake species, whose physical attributes and reputations have fascinated humanity for generations. The king cobra, for example, stands as one of nature's most formidable creations. With individuals reaching up to 5.5 meters in length, this serpent possesses a venom potent enough to take down even the mightiest of creatures, including an adult elephant. Despite its intimidating profile and dangerous potential, the king cobra is known to be surprisingly reserved. It will only unleash its venom when it truly feels threatened or cornered. In striking contrast, consider the green anaconda of South America. Known as the heaviest snake in the world, this colossus can reach lengths of 9 meters and weigh as much as 250 kilograms. Despite its massive size and power, the green anaconda tends to avoid human interactions, preferring the quiet solitude of its swampy, riverine domain. Each of these species, with their unique adaptations and formidable presence, reflects the balance of evolution, a reminder that within the wild, beauty and danger often share the same sleek form. After examining the anatomical marvels of snake locomotion and sensory perception, our exploration takes a cultural turn. Throughout history and across countless civilizations, snakes have been symbols of far more than mere danger. In ancient Egypt, for instance, the serpent was revered as an emblem of protection, embodying life, regeneration, and divine power. The winding form of the snake was seen as a protective force that warded off evil and misfortune. Similarly, in Greek mythology, the snake was immortalized in the legend of Medusa, and later, its form became interwoven with the very essence of healing and medicine. Today, the image of a snake wrapped around a staff remains a powerful symbol of the healing arts, PAM, a legacy derived from these ancient beliefs. The snake's dual nature, its ability to instill fear and inspire reverence, has given it a profound cultural significance. It encapsulates the idea that what might first appear menacing can, upon closer inspection, reveal wisdom, protection, and the cyclical nature of life and death. As we reflect on these varied perspectives, a common theme emerges. Snakes are not to be feared, but to be appreciated for the role they play in both nature and culture. Their misunderstood reputation as harbingers of peril is a misconception that history, science, and culture have worked tirelessly to correct. The very attributes that once sparked instinctive terror now inspire us to see the profound interconnectivity of life. Snakes, with their silent, purposeful presence, remind us that the natural world is filled with intricate relationships that uphold the balance necessary for all life. Through this informative exploration, we have uncovered a narrative that moves seamlessly from the diverse array of over 3,800 snake species through the essential ecological services they provide, into the finely honed mechanics of their movement, the extraordinary ways they sense their world, and finally, to the deep cultural resonances they carry across the ages. In each phase of this journey, the snake reveals itself as a creature of intricate design, significant power, and unexpected grace. What seemed at first to be a simple reptile has unfolded into a topic of endless fascination, a mirror to the complexity of nature itself. By overcoming long-held misconceptions and appreciating their true role, we learn that what we once feared can be reinterpreted as a symbol of balance, resilience, and enduring wonder. As our journey draws to a close, we are left with a renewed sense of admiration for these enigmatic creatures. The snake is not an agent of chaos, but a meticulous participant in the natural process, a silent guardian whose every movement echoes the beauty and precision of evolution. Remember, the next time you encounter a snake in the wild, take a moment to recognize the marvel it embodies and the crucial role it plays in sustaining the delicate balance of our ecosystem. Let curiosity replace fear and understanding replace superstition. Thank you for accompanying us on this exploration into the secret life of snakes. Embrace the wildlife around you and see every creature as an integral part of a grand, interconnected tapestry. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for the next adventure.